So I'm going to unbox this camera suction cup mount that I purchased from Flipkart. So let me just try to open it first. I can use this, I think, to unbox this. So I purchased this to record videos from my car when I'm in my car driving. So I wanted to record some videos. So after a lot of Flipkart searching and like Google search, I found this recording this mount. So let me open this. Here we got, I think this is case to keep it. Let's try to check what else we, I think ये माउंट करने के लिए होगा, आई मीन फ़ोन माउंट करने के लिए या फिर GoPro माउंट करने के लिए. Let's see. Clamp, switches, nut bolts. And what else we got? This is suction mount. So let me try to put it here so that okay, so it's pretty strong. So I'll create another video maybe when I'll install in my car or when I'll use it in my car, but I think it's very good. I don't know how to plug it back. I mean, how to. This is very strong, very strong. It's good. So I got this from Flipkart for around, I think, 3,100 like that. So yeah, it's very good. Let me try again. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I think I did not. No, I cannot. Yeah, it's very good. Yep. Thank you.